There are a few different ways to use the phrasal verb let down. In this video, I'll show you just one. Let down is often used when a person is disappointed or you disappoint another person. You don't meet the expectations of another person and you let that person down. Let down means to disappoint. I let my friends down. In this sentence, this is separable with the object going between let and down. Or you can put these together and the object goes here. I let down my friends. The people who are typically let down are people who depend on you. I let my friends down. I let my parents down. I let my teacher down. Whether you put it here or here, it doesn't really matter. But there are certain people in your life that sometimes you disappoint. You let them down. In this sentence, you could replace any of these with them. I let them down. But you can't do that here. You wouldn't say, I let down them. If you put let down together, then you need to say specifically who it is. So this would be some sort of a group or individual person. I let down my parents. I let down my teacher. And if it's a teacher, the teacher would say, I let down my students. If the teacher feels as though he or she did something that wasn't very good in class and the students were disappointed, then the teacher would say, I let down my students. I didn't show up at the, and then this is the event or activity. Let's say it's a party, but it could be a meeting or some other gathering. I didn't show up at the party. I let them down. These are the people who had the party. They expected me to be at the party. I didn't show up. I didn't go there. And I let them down. I could also say, I let everyone down. This is a little stronger than this. This implies a large group of people. Even though this is singular, it still is in reference to a large group of people. I let everyone down. You can let people down for things that you do. For example, if your behavior is bad. His behavior at the party was terrible. He let, and then here are the people. He let his friends down. Or he let them down. If you want to use a pronoun, then use them. You will often hear let down in the form of a command. This is negative. Don't let, and then here is the object, and then down. Don't let me down. Don't let them down. Don't let, and we can use a plural noun here. Don't let your coworkers down. When you have disappointed another person and you want to apologize for it, then you can say something like this. I'm sorry I let you down. It's the same thing as saying, I'm sorry I disappointed you. Both of these sound good. I'm sorry I let you down, or I'm sorry I disappointed you. Notice that this is in the past tense. When offering assurances of behavior or performance, you can say something like this: don't worry, I won't let you down. Or you could also say, I promise not. I promise not to let you down. After the negative, here is the infinitive, and the object here is between let and down. I promise not to let you down. It's possible to use let down as a noun. This is a letdown. I'm not sure if this is two words or one. It might just be one. But whether it's two words or one, it's the same thing as saying that something is a disappointment. The word disappointment is a noun. This is a disappointment, or this is a letdown. To emphasize it, you'll often hear real before letdown. This is a real letdown. This is a big disappointment.